Alright, welcome to On the Rivet Racing. I hope I have my balance right between the music and my voice. I'm watching Noah right now. This course is going to be 2 laps of the hilly, hilly route. And they're going to be hitting the forward KOM pretty quickly out of the gate. I do have Noah and the crew on Discord. If it were me, I would hit this forward KOM as hard as I could, because I'm guessing this is where it's going to break up, but we shall see how it goes. Good start for Noah. Perfect. No problem with Team Type 1. I actually met the director sportif for Team Type 1 at a swim meet in Seattle. My daughter's a swimmer. I don't like that it's a Team Type 1 race because I can't differentiate people based off of their jerseys. But yeah, it's a worthy cause. I don't know who this guy is. Somebody's going off pretty fast. I worry about the weight dopers in here. I saw a French dude who's done 5 races and shows that he's got a 5.6 watts per kilogram, which is a bit hard to believe, but we'll see how it plays out, and hopefully Swift Power does its job. Go across this bridge, and then here it is. This is a steep one. It's 90-second to 2.5 minute climb, and let's hope Noah's right and that it is take it chill going up this first lap. He's doing 7 watts a kilogram. That's pretty high, but like I said, it's you get off the back in these races and you're chasing, and if a strong group goes off the front, you're just not going to catch them. So I don't know if this guy right here did it last time, but this is Noah's well positioned. I see Colin's up here too. Nice job, Colin. I believe it's Colin. What's Colin doing here? Yeah, 520 watts for 6 watts a kilogram. Must be a little bigger than me, at least, but looking good. Flattens out here, and then it kind of goes up again. So this is good. This is really good. Colin's up there, just not letting this cryogen guy go away. So that's what I would do. Yeah, this Conrad guy won the race last week, and he can haul ass. So you don't want to let him go away. He rode solo to the finish last year. This cryogen guy is going with this Conrad guy is going with another cryogen guy. So just remember that they rode to the finish last week by themselves. So you may catch them on this first lap. They just crossed the line. You guys got 8 seconds back. Conrad's doing, yeah, he's slowing down now, so maybe you guys will catch him. This other guy behind, he's actually the cryogen guy. He's pulling at 4.5. So don't, like I said, I wouldn't let them build too much of a lead. They've already got 14 seconds. Yeah, they're in the mid-3s now, so It's easy for me to say, but if you can, yeah, he's back up to 4.8, but... No, I got it, man. It'll have to be a group effort to bring him back. Because they're doing, they're sharing the work right now. So I'd super duck down the hill, and worst case, it's a race for third. That's all right. Those guys are superhuman. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Going by the waterfall. Looks like they're getting ready. Yeah, they're by the waterfall now. They're going through this little, what do they call it? The Italian villas. Once they go through the villas, there's a sprint point coming up. They go across a bridge, and then once they go across the bridge, there's a kind of a spiky hill, and then there's some rollers. So those rollers are tough. Z Wang's got a sweet bike. See what Nathan's riding. I think he loves the Yeah, there's Noah. Yeah, Nathan loves the Tron. Yep, here we go. Are they catching them? That's awesome. Maybe that's not them. Maybe these guys are now they're 7 seconds ahead. Eight seconds ahead. You go up this. This is kind of steep. Yeah, good. Stand on the pedals, Noah. Look at that RPM. That's good, man. I would stand up on stuff like this. Noah can spin pretty good. It's funny, I like to track race, but I've lost my spin a little bit this year. Probably because if I want to sprint on a... oh, man, they're right there. If I want to sprint on a shifter bike or a bike with gears, I need to get my stand-up jump. But Noah's doing good. Yeah, once the hill kind of, they caught them, the time dropped when they were going up and down the hills, but now they're back, they've opened it back up. These guys are just crushing it. These rollers are tough for smaller guys because you don't get the speed going downhill. But Noah's doing a nice job of keeping it together. Yeah, good. Just hanging out at the back. As long as you don't get gapped, it's a good place. Almost done with the rollers. They're going to go right here, and then it starts going downhill. If they get going fast enough, they might be able to super tough. We'll see. It might go by me. I'm just sitting in the pen. I don't know if I show up on here or not. I raced this morning and got my teeth kicked in the old all my crit races. Doesn't kill you, makes you stronger, right? Start finish line's coming up here, and then it won't be much longer for the second trip up to KOM, which again is that steep, probably 2-minute effort. Yeah, 90 seconds to 2-minute effort for these guys. But we'll see. They're bringing them back. They're only 10 seconds ahead. I think the problem is that these guys are, they're just going to crush it on the going up. Nice job, man. I was doing it big. See what we can do going up this hill. Yeah, that's right. Pull through there, Wang. I think that was 16 candles. The Wangster. No disrespect, it just reminded me of the movie. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if they can pull time on these guys. Eight seconds. These guys might be just saving it though and just crush it up the hill again. Let's see where those guys in the front, how they do. There they are. Yeah, so here's the two guys off the front. Here's the pack. It'll be interesting to see if those guys attack each other when they're going up the hill. Yeah, cryogens. These guys are smashing it. 8 plus. .440. This guy's got a heart rate monitor. Thank you, Cryogen. You like credibility. Yeah, look at that. 8. He's riding away. Woo! That is a dig. Oh, wait a minute. That's Conrad. See if he'll go by himself. Like I said, I do like to see this guy have a heart rate monitor. There's already 5 seconds. Alright, so that Conrad guy has dropped the cryogen guy. So Conrad is just crushing the pedals. But there is a chance with this cryogen, he's 10 seconds back. So as a group, you guys might be able to catch second. Good job, Noah. Nice job, Colin. It's easy for me to say. This is where you just gotta stand up and just crush the pedals. It's not quite as steep, but you still gotta get over the top. But I think they're gonna catch second, so that's good. Look at that. Conrad put in a shocking amount of time. Wish the guy would wear a heart rate monitor. I know that he is an A+, but just pounding away 345 watts at 69 RPM. Thankfully, most races don't allow you to race without a heart rate monitor. This is a very catchable power. Good job, Noah. Keep the speed up, man. Super tuck you guys on the front. Once it calms down a little bit, then just start hammering again. So my guess is that you guys are going to come into the final sprint in this group. Just remember, you're gonna go through those S's, then you're gonna come into a downhill. So it's gonna be fast, and I usually wait till 300 meters to go to open up my sprint, and try to be like in the back third, just because it's going to be so fast. You're going to want to draft off those guys. If you have an aero helmet, obviously use it. So just be mindful, you're going to be hauling ass, and if you can get a super tuck before, that'll be good. Here's a sprint point, so what's that, 500 meters I think. I forget how long this one is. But the bridge and going up that hill is the challenging part. I think they have like 3K to go, 4K to go maybe. There's the hill over there that they're going to be climbing. You can see it through the bridge. That's off to those guys off the front though, man. They held a high watts per kilogram. I like a good bunch sprint, so not my favorite kind of race to watch, but Getting near the end of the rollers. I think at the top of the rollers it's a little over a K to go. It'll be interesting to see if anybody goes for a long range attack. Here we go, stringing it out. No one's really doing any huge watch yet. Wish I could see how many K they have to go. About 53K. You can see the finish line up there. There we go. This guy's starting to go. Here we go, buddy. Go, 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 go. Yeah, go, 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 go. Nice job, guys. I'm just looking to see if I can find anybody else. But once they cross the finish line, I pretty much lose the ability. So, nice race, everybody. I'm turning it off.